see we got the right there and right there.
Nice.
And Polaris, as you know, is a very large corporation,
Yeah.
a very big brand. They do over $2.5 billion a year in sales, and they spend over $200 million a year in advertising, which is great for the business side of it. But Polaris is also a company that is really taken a very nice direction in electric vehicles. So about 2 years ago, Polaris launched an neighborhood electric vehicle. They additionally purchased GEM, which was previously owned by Chrysler and manufactures a line of neighborhood electric vehicles. They also just recently purchased a French company that manufactures electric kind of construction grade vehicles, and they just invested quite a large sum of money in Bravo, the electric motorcycle company. So it's a perfect timing that Polaris is a brand that is making headway into the electric vehicle industry, and we're launching this line of electric bicycles at this show, Interbike 2012, and we're very excited about it. The bicycles have all proprietary technology. So what you have is in the rear wheel, it's our motor. Now our motor runs off of duo drive technology. And what that means is that there is 2 different drive systems inside the motor. And the benefit of that is that it has a high torque and a high speed mode, which creates excellent battery and ride efficiency. So the computer on board the bike will actually adjust the wattage and the mode of the system based on the terrain to give you the smoothest, most efficient possible ride.
That's great. So you don't have to adjust it yourself. It's just automatically, it sort of determines that based on the hill and all that.
So the bike has standard gearing when you're climbing or descending hills.
Yeah. Yeah, this one in particular is 9-speed or?
8-speed.
8-speed, right.
8-speed, but the motor is unique because most electric bicycles have a standard wattage output, but ours varies the wattage from 60 watts to 450 watts, giving you the perfect riding experience for whatever the terrain demands.
Okay.
And you know, it's exciting. The electric bicycle industry is something that has been very large in Asia, is growing rapidly in Europe, and is growing a little bit slower in the US. But we think that with the launch of Polaris electric bicycles, there will be a big swell of energy and focus. The brand will bring attention. It brings in different customers from the power sports industry, and it really brings light to electric bicycles, which are an incredible commuting option, recreational option, as well as just a great vehicle for people who may be of a certain age. Their knees may be bad, they may be in rehabilitation. We actually work with the Miami Dolphins on a cancer charity ride, where people who are in cancer recovery can use these bikes, and it gives them access to bike riding for the first time in years.
Cool.
So electric bicycles are something that we think has a place in the United States as well as in Europe, and the brand name of Polaris we think brings a little weight to that industry and that type of vehicle, and we're excited to launch Interbike 2012.
Okay, cool. And one thing I like is that the battery, you can just pull it right out, right?
Yeah, so
just take it upstairs and charge it.
Every single system that we make has a removable battery.
That's nice. Let me see how heavy that is. That's like nothing.
Yeah,
it's
6
lighter
pounds.
than my purse.
That's a heavy purse, but yeah, 6 pounds. And it's really nice. The system is all custom designed by us. And exclusively used on Polaris electric bicycles.
Cool.
A lot of really nice features, and something you might be interested in. Look at the display in it here. Is you have this information button, which gives you trip distance. It gives you your odometer, your battery range, and it actually calculates your carbon footprint savings. So if your odometer is over 600 miles, let's say, it calculates how many pounds of CO2 you've saved the environment by using our bike instead of a car.
Awesome.
Yeah. So it's, in the grand scheme of things, it's not equivalent to shutting down a nuclear power plant, but it's something that you personally can feel good that you're making an impact and you're making a difference. And it's also a lot of fun and it looks great.
Awesome. Thanks, Brandon.
Thank you very much.
Okay.